So everything went great. You got your shirts?
Yeah. Yes.
You got your shirts. Is it the good side? The good size, sorry?
Yes.
The one you asked for?
Developer medium.
That means large.
XXL.
Yeah, okay, good. I had some issues with the shirts. Some of you might not have a badge either, right? Because Word failed, so yes, for instance, Taylor doesn't have a badge, but he's got his shirt, okay? Because Word mail merge failed me, or I failed to mail merge correctly. So 1 out of 6 names didn't get printed, and I discovered it just yesterday night when I prepared the shirts. I'm sorry, but most of you should have it. That's why I don't have my badge, because I gave it up. So the one who finds my badge gets a chocolate. Okay? Because some of you have my badge. You can find it somewhere. We'll see. You need Wi-Fi, right? Everyone needs Wi-Fi, because the sessions are so boring that you will just browse on the internet. TKP concourse and password TKP floor 1. I haven't tried it, so I trust it works. Probably after 5 connections, you won't be able to browse the internet. That's how it happens with conferences, but there's nothing we can do. Agenda, so very important, opens at 8:30, not before, because I close the door. I don't want you in before, because we prepare everything and it has to be, wow, it's perfect, it's magical. Everything was set up when we entered. Wow. Sessions start at 9. We are flexible. It can start earlier, after. Lots of flexibility, because sessions won't be 1 hour or 45 minutes exactly. So we'll see how we do that. We'll stop the sessions at noon, but again, we have flexibility. Depends, because the lunch will start at 12:30. So it was not prepared like this at the beginning, but you paid so much that we have lots of money left and decided to buy the lunches. So they consist of sandwiches. I haven't tried them. We'll see. It should be the same as a breakfast in terms of quality. We'll see. Quantity should be more than enough. And for those who can't eat the sandwiches, we have something you can eat, other sandwiches. You know what I mean. There are different kinds of sandwiches so that everyone finds what they want. But we'll see. I haven't seen them. So 12:30. So we have lots of time to eat lunch and also to socialize, to exchange, to talk, party. If you have board games, whatever, video games, we'll see what we can do. Questions on Orchard, if you have, we'll see. Or want to talk with people, that's fine too. Schedule is to start at 2 p.m. again. And stop at 5. Okay? Dinner. So, like for every conference, we have a dinner on the first day. Tonight we'll be at John's Pizzeria. Sorry, Matteo, how do you say that?
Pizzeria.
Pizzeria. Okay. And for those who are Italian, and who will eat Italian tonight, I'm sorry. Again, food for everyone. It will be like I assume it's a buffet, a buffet, a buffet. Okay, a buffet. Pizza stuff, pasta. There is no alcohol so far, but we'll order alcohol as people want that. Okay, like beers and everything. But in the official menu, there is no alcohol. We'll see how it goes. So it's 6 to 8. And they insisted, it's 6, not before, to 8, not after. Every half hour we spend after 8 is $10 per person. Okay? Just to stay. Not to eat, just to stay, to talk to people. It's packed. I went there yesterday to ensure. You went there yesterday?
Couldn't get in.
Okay, I had to skip the line just to talk to someone because I'm like, I don't want to wait 2 hours. Maybe it was also a holiday, maybe that's why there were so many people, but it's, wow. I went in the room, so it will be in the room in the back. So the goal is that we meet at 5:50 outside of the restaurant because we don't want to wait in the line. and once it's 6, we'll get inside the restaurant in the room that will be reserved for us. So we should have a room or a space for 45 people. Who intends to bring a +1? Rob? Taylor? That's it? Nobody is married or have a +1 or +2? I don't know.
I could find one.
Sounds so easy. You have Tinder? That's what you mean?
No, you just say free pizza.
Oh, it's not just, okay, I see what you mean. Please no, because it's $50 every time there is a +1. Is there a -1? Someone who won't join us tonight? You can bring a +1.
I'll try.
So Bavin, that's it?
Yeah.
And? I know you, but, sorry? Chris, but I don't remember. I know you, we've met, right? In Redmond. Chris Durkin.
Yes.
Thank you. That's you. You know, you might know me, but I know you better. I have Google. Okay, good for tonight. Questions? Anybody doesn't like pasta and pizza? The Italian guy? Well, maybe he won't like it. I don't know. I've never been to Italy, so I've never tried it. I've been to Little Italy, this way. And I've been to Chinatown, but I haven't tried the food there. So for the story, we tried the food truck yesterday. My son didn't sleep, and it didn't go well in the hotel room. This is sad for many reasons, because it was not nice after the full night, and I didn't sleep much. Okay, that's not good. Other questions? Thank you. Daniel, smile. Thank you. So, thank you for those who make Harvest. Okay, who makes Harvest? Thank you. Delta, British Airways, Air France, Iberia, United Airlines, and actually it's Comair, but I put Coolra.com, sorry, Gert. Is that fine? Okay, good. So without them, we will not be here. Or maybe 2 or 3 of you will be here. Who will be here without them? 5, 0.
I was on Virgin. Yeah, Virgin. Yeah.
Who? Virgin? I didn't think. I'm like British Airways. I get everyone like Nick and all the.
Yeah, it was Lufthansa.
American Airlines.
Can you send me a note for next year so I don't forget anything? And you, thank you, you. People from Netherlands. So I will call you. Well, I don't know who you are sometimes. I know this guy is from Netherlands. Sipke. And can you say your name and to see who's coming from where and to have an idea of who is present in the room. So Sipke, everyone knows Sipke. We don't need to introduce him. Who doesn't know Sipke? You see, everybody knows Sipke. If you watched any videos from last year, you've seen him because he was in all the videos. Sweden, thank you.
I don't speak Swedish.
Oh man. Tack. Tack.
That's it, tack.
Tack. Daniel from Sweden. Everyone knows Daniel?
Yeah.
Everyone.
Hungary. I remember it's too complicated. Konum, sonomon, something like that. Consonum. So we have Benedek, Zoltan, and their friend. He's not interesting. It's just they bring him. Sianos, but the important ones are Benedek and Zoltan. Because you all know them. Janos is just useful for recording the videos on the meetings. Okay, if you don't know him, that's him. That's the guy who records the videos. And I'm sure most of you will not watch the videos if they were not recorded, right? Because I don't see a third of you in the meetings, okay? So, from Poland, we have Piotr. As usual, Piotr, everyone knows Piotr. Or if you used to do some orchard more than 1 or 2 years ago, you must know Piotr. After that, you don't know Piotr. So that makes sense. Because for the people who don't know him, he's a member of the steering committee, which means he has been elected. I don't know how. But some people get elected even though nobody wants them, or I don't know what. I'm kidding, Piotr. Yeah, and he won by 2 votes. It's actually Benedek who got qualified from the next leg. Oh, right, something like that. You were equality with someone, and we took you in the committee.
No, Antoine.
What?
Antoine.
Antoine? Antoine is not in the committee. Are you?
Yeah, he is.
No, he's not.
Do you not? Okay, so it was
You are.
Okay.
I think, yeah.
Okay.
Italian, we have Matteo. Matteo, if you followed Orchard in the previous month, Matteo and his company and his colleagues were pretty active on the localization side and doing lots of things, too many things. They don't stop. That's good. And he joined us. Spanish, Sergio, here. Hola, Sergio.
Hello.
Gracias. Oh, grazie, Matteo. No, you it's even more complicated, like cui something, whatever. Would I miss? Voilà. French, we have Antoine. We have an hybrid one, Sébastien. Sébastien Benoit. Sébastien Benoit. A French from New York. Who knows? We have no, he's American. And French. So are you French?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me. How do I know? Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
Benin.
What?
See?
Bina?
Benin.
You're not French. You speak French. Oh, but I forgot you. Okay. Well, you live in the States?
Yeah.
That's why. You are next. Hello. That's okay. Many people come late. Ask Piotr, you will see, he will tell you. That's right, but tomorrow morning, I'm telling you, you will be late. What's your name?
Jorge.
Jorge. Your shirt and your badge are behind you. Good? Jorge. And English people. Many English people. Not that many. We have Nick, we have Rob, we have Chris.
Victor.
We have Victor. But you don't live in England, right?
Sorry?
You live in England?
Yes, I do, yeah.
I didn't see that from the list. And you wrote England.
Yeah, UK, yes.
I missed it. Sorry, I missed you.
Okay.
Well, I didn't miss you. You're there, you know. English side. Okay. And South Africa, the one and only one, always there. Somehow he lives in the Orchard Conference. He manages to come every year. Gert. Okay. And we have people from the United States, from Colorado. The two guys in the back, they're always there too. Okay, they love it. They put some money aside every month just to come to the conference. They work just to come to the conference. They have a 401k and an orchard plan, okay? And it's not tax-free. The food is kind of cheap. You get your money for back. Washington State. I want to see the two people from Washington State, not you. We have Chris Durking and we have Rob Allred, the guy you know but you don't know because he's the first time here. We'll see that later. Hi, Rob. Nice meeting you. But you were in Redmond then. Oh, crap, sorry. Yes, we must have met. Don't remember. I'm sorry. We know your voice at least because you're always there. So. And those people from Washington, like Bertrand, myself, Taylor is from Washington, Taylor Mullen, the famous one. If MVC has bugs. Utah, who's from Utah? Two from Utah. Who are you?
I'm John. I'm Jason.
John and Jason from which company?
Reading Horizons.
Reading Horizons. You might know. Well, you come at the conference pretty often, right? Jason, maybe?
This is my first time. Yeah, this is my second one.
At the meeting, sorry. At the meeting, I mean. The weekly meeting?
No, I'm not. No.
You don't go. Ah, there is one. I thought it was from Reading Horizon. Virginia. Someone from Virginia who didn't show up yet. Someone from South Carolina. I must have missed something. Just 5 shirts left. Pennsylvania. Not too far.
Japan track.
What's your name? Sorry? Mike. Mike. From which company?
Avertra.
Advertra. Oh, okay. Yes, but you registered much later.
Yes.
Connecticut. Whoa, we have a winner. We have 4 winners, 5 winners. What's your names and your company?
My name is Kent Fernald with Lecture Links.
Lecture Links. I have 2 or 3 from Lecture Links.
Yeah.
The 3 of you, okay. So Kent, Paul,
Jackie.
Jackie.
Yep.
And
Jerry.
We know Jerry. You've been there before many times. And from which company, sorry?
Rapid Frameworks.
Rapid Frameworks. Like Orchard. Georgia. Georgia to...
Thomas, long-term worker, quiet guy.
Like me.
Have a decade worth of working if that counts.
And?
Well, you just haven't participated. No. Shame. So Charles.
Charles from which company?
Same one as him, Concurrent.
Concurrent. Okay, thank you. California. Oh, George. Well, just George. Everyone knows George?
Hello.
He's famous on the Orchard YouTube station. He's got so many videos on that.
I do?
Yeah. Florida. Did you bring some oranges with you?
No.
Why?
I'm sure we have Florida oranges here.
No. Did you see the weather outside? It's cold and...
Sorry.
So, sorry, what your name?
Tina.
Tina from Florida. Which company?
Brown Jordan International.
Brown Jordan International.
Yes.
BJI.
Yes.
Many websites, but so, yeah. Massachusetts. Thank you, Massachusetts, for James Taylor. I love James Taylor. Do you like James Taylor?
What is it?
Do you like James Taylor? James Taylor. James Taylor?
Oh yeah, James Taylor. Yeah.
I'm a big fan, so thank you, Massachusetts. Thank you, Boston. And I assume, no, you're from Boston, right, Taylor? Taylor, no? Philadelphia? Same thing? Sorry, same thing. Sorry, so you said your name and company?
My name is Gary Medina. I'm a freelance.
Okay. Gary Medina Corporation.
Yeah.
Michigan. Not that far away, all these states, most of them. Yes?
Brian, I work for Advantage CS.
Brian. Brian, not ready, Brian?
Yes.
That's Brian. Is your badge okay?
Yes, it is.
This one I didn't miss, okay? New York, we have some people from New York. We have for sure Sebastian, the French from New York, Bavim, and Stanley. So Bavim, from which company?
iClassic, Hearst Corporate, the magazine company.
Okay, and we have the most famous, like Piotr, back 2 years ago, Stanley Goldman, from now, GitHub now. It's fair. If you have Git issues, or that's the guy, okay? You came to a Git conference then. So that's it. Thank you, and thank you for the speakers. So you make it possible, and the speakers make it possible, okay? Without them, it's just board games, okay? We have Rob. So can you come here just to say hi in the, here. Here it's very important because of the camera. So we have Rob, we have Steve. If you have prepared a session, be prepared to come here. Bertrand, Nicholas and Nicholas. Which Nicholas? Nicholas Taylor Mullen and Nicholas Main and Taylor Mullen, but call him Taylor, okay? Benedek, Chris, Daniel, Taylor. Oh crap, I'm messed up. George, this George, the famous one. Not George, the not famous one. Not yet. Not, or maybe you are and we missed something. So these guys, thank you guys. You know me, I don't do things half, okay? It's serious. So I have some chocolates. Remember guys, last year? I was so generous, okay? I have some chocolates. Better chocolates. Girardelli chocolates, the most expensive ones. Chocolate.
Thank you. Cheers, man.
No, they didn't do this work for nothing, right?
One of them is poison.
I take two.
No, one. Wait. After the session, you can eat it, okay? So I have only one issue with them. Did you pay your ticket? Did you pay your ticket?
No.
Okay. Put it back. Thank you. You can come back to your seat. There's a budget, okay? You can't mess with the budget, okay? What's your name? That's okay. What's your name? Yes. No, Piotr, behind Piotr. You were late, but that's okay. Armen, you want to find a seat? Did you find your badge on the... Please take a seat, don't worry, we are not interrupting. That's fine. So Armen, we went over everyone, and they explained which company they were working for. So what's your company?
Carolina and the West.
And you are coming from which state? Because we missed 2 states earlier. North Carolina, okay? And there is another one. I don't remember which one, but there was another state we missed. So these were the speakers. Thank you for working hard on your sessions, okay? And 2 guys didn't want to speak. Boo! This is so lame. I mean, everyone's working hard, and those guys have lots of knowledge to share and things to do, and no, they didn't want to talk. Do you think you will get some chocolates by working like this? You won't get any chocolates. Okay.
We didn't get it either, so.
Because you didn't pay your ticket.
I know.
Did Sitke?
What?
Did Sitke pay his ticket?
I didn't. I brought it in Daniel.
Told you.
So he owes you a chocolate, really?
Maybe I will take all the chocolates that are left. But what is Orchard about? Well, the Harvest Conference about. It's about meeting famous people. What? Is she here? No. Is he here?
No.
Is he here?
Yes.
Daniel, please come.
Want me over there?
Here, please, yes. And don't worry, you will get a chocolate. I didn't call you Bertrand.
No, I'm just...
Rob. Yes, you're famous. Come here. Nobody knows you. And Stanley. Stanley, please, here. That's your name. You are the only Stanley in the room. Don't worry, there are 2 George, okay? There are 2 Nicholas. There are 2 Chris, but there is 1 Stanley. So when I call people, they will be like, is it me, really? There is only 1. So you get a chocolate, and you can keep it. Be sure to choose one, okay?
Oh, wow.
There are some salty one, salty caramel one, dark chocolate, sea salt dark chocolate. They are beautiful. You like chocolate, right? Everyone likes chocolate.
You're going to take this back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Find some.
So why them? Because they are or were pretty active in the community. Everyone knew their name, but we didn't know these guys. They never show up. So Daniel Stolt, okay, he missed last year because he had some work emergency.
And I missed every harvest before that, so
Also,
this is my first one.
Rob Allred, who is from Washington, also very active in the community at the meetings and every almost not the conferences, but the one in Redmond at least.
I didn't save up for Spain.
It's expensive, yeah. But Spain itself was very cheap. We had an awesome time. And Stanley was also very active, lots of commits and contributions, also on Gitter, but we never saw him. So now you can see them, you can touch them, play with them, ask questions, whatever you want to do. They are here for you, okay? Thank you guys, thank you. And it's also about meeting the experts, okay? Famous people and the experts. It's not funny. It's an actual website, okay? Don't make fun of it. So we have big companies, so if you want to ask questions, this is where you go. So this guy, George will recognize it because he worked on this website.
Largest revenue website.
That's the largest revenue website, okay? More than Amazon.com, it's crazy. It's the biggest e-commerce in the world. I have not bought anything from them, so.
They have 4 stores in Manhattan, so you can go.
And I should say, I wrote some line of the code that your site is working on. We should all go there and get some free stuff because we are working for them, okay? We have the .NET guys, long big guys here, we have 3 of them. Just 2 of them are important, remember, okay? On the left and on the right. In the middle is just for the recording, okay? We have the guys from iDeliverable. And these are just the most well-known companies, okay, and working on Orchard. And so if you have questions, I'm not here for answering the questions. They are here, okay? That's why we invited them. So thank you for these guys, and for all the questions we will ask you, the free consulting we will get from these 2 days of... it's also about having fun, enjoying the moment and the location. It's very important, okay? If you come here, it's also to have fun. So, the experience you don't want to miss is to have a chat with the Rob Dixon in the back, okay? Oh, yeah. Once you've got a chat with the Rob Dixon in the back, even more after 1 or 2 beers, it's awesome, okay? You will never forget about it. So I will suggest everyone to book a ticket for tonight. To make a line and have a chat with this guy, because he's great, he's awesome, and great experience. You need, and I'm not joking, everyone will testify here. Taylor will testify, Josh will testify, Nick will testify, right? He's awesome, he's the guy. He should organize the conferences and make it fun. And some use Orchard just for this special occasion. Piotr. He uses Orchard just to be able to come to the Harvest conference, okay? And also, if you need an after party tonight, just follow him, okay? He will guide you, the bars, the nightclubs, everything. This is the guy of the night, okay? Not of the morning, the night. So tonight, if you want to, Piotr at the back, okay? This is the guy, anywhere. Thank you, Piotr. So now, the life of a conference organizer, okay? It's just 2 months in a year, but my God, it's crazy. Lots of pain. So that's my life, okay? Well, I'm talking about, I'm the organizer. I've been helped, but yeah. Shirts. Choosing the color. Actually, you don't have to remind me, okay? There is only one here with a shirt, this is Taylor Mullen, because he chose the color. Is it a nice color this year?
Lovely.
Oh, so it's Taylor. He chose a color. I wanted something more standard, but no, he said, blue, it's nice blue. Choosing the logo. The logos, are they great? You like the logos, you see? The New York guys will love it, I'm sure, because Statue of Liberty, Brooklyn, it's the Brooklyn Bridge. If you remove the ropes on the sides, it doesn't look like a bridge, but now they look like a bridge. And folding the shirts. How long do you think it takes to fold all these shirts? That, and then put the badge inside that's some work. Badges. How to do badges? It's very hard. You have to do mail merging, which goes wrong. That's why some of you don't have a badge, okay? I should show you the PDF. I checked yesterday, I was like, what's happening? I checked the PDF, and yes, I'm missing one out of 6 or 5 people. For each page, one was on the side. And I didn't see that. Printing the badges, very fun. You were not here when I printed the badges, right? No, you left. Oh, you were playing video games again. So I had to do that. Cutting the badges. Do you think they come pre-cut? No. Okay? That's hard. And then inserting. Inserting is the easy part. And you will find that the badges this year are of lower quality. I really hate them because they are bulky and not square and weird. I won't take them anymore. Okay? If you want some Orchard badges, I have lots of spare ones in Redmond. Rob, do you want some badges for work? No? I have lots of them. I will throw them away. I can give them to you. Websiting, it's all about also websiting, making website, but I have people helping like Antoine. Locationing. My French accent takes over sometimes. You'll say most of the time, but no, sometimes. Locationing, how to find a good location for everyone. Like New York, great, especially for people coming from England. That's why we also chose New York. And the only guy who chose New York came here. Actually, Rob from England. I was hoping that more people from England would come because it's so close, but that's life. Budgeting, getting the money, spending the money. promoting, contacting websites to get people coming and spamming you. Hey guys, there is a Harvest conference, please come, okay? I don't want to be alone. Catering, finding the food, what you eat, what you can't eat, what you like. Do you prefer, I don't know, spaghetti marinara, or do you prefer penne alla vodka, or what? I know some people don't drink alcohol, so even if it's cool, I know how to dev, not how to choose what you eat. So that's very hard for me. Recording, oh my God, breaking the camera, then you have to fix that, recording the sessions. It's a lot of pain and disappointments. In 5 minutes, Dinah, okay, in 5 minutes. Thank you. Disappointments. Gert. Gert, can you tell us why you are a disappointment?
You like to tell us?
So, who remembers last year's conference? What happened with Gert during last year's conference?
Oh, he got a free ticket.
He got a free ticket.
He got an award.
So, he didn't get to pay his ticket this year. And please be reassured that he didn't forget that he deserved a free ticket. He was the first one to send me an email to say, "Where is my free ticket?"
Does it mean I don't get a chocolate?
Well, please come take a chocolate. So you get a free ticket and a chocolate.
I wouldn't say no.
And for those who don't know why, it's because he came to all the Orchard conferences the years before from South Africa. Okay, there is no more exotic country than South Africa. And so we said, okay, you deserve a free ticket. He got his free, next year you have to pay. There's a budget to work with. And full of joy. Only when you are all gone on Wednesday night. Because until Wednesday night, I'm like, there is no joy at all. It's also about the little things, okay? Like having short company names, because on the badges, big company names like Lombic Technologies Ltd. Doesn't fit on the badge. So I have to edit all the Excel file with the Lombic. Lombic is fine, okay? It fits on the badge, okay? Thank you. There are also some people without company, like unemployed or whatever, I don't know, maybe. Or freelance. Also, please register everyone with one Eventbrite form, because lots of notifications and less work for me to do. And more people coming. Like last year, we had big gaming, boom, 10 people coming, one slot. Awesome, lots of money, nothing to do, one notification in the email. It's beautiful. It's like that. This is a little joy, the little thing. Thank you, iDeliverable, for registering 2 people with one form. Thank you, even if you are 3. Thank you, Planet TEDx, for registering 2 people with one form. Thank you, Lecture Links, 2 plus 1. You are 3, but also you're 4. You're 3.
2.5 on the jury
And Reading Horizons, same thing too. Where are they? There. Okay. Did you register at the same time?
Yeah.
I missed you. Mail merge issues. Again, I'm sure that's the issue. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Next year, 5, 6 is better. Okay. More people, more fun. And the important things, the important one, sorry. Sipke. Can you come here, please? If you watch the videos from last year, Sipke coming on the stage is not exceptional. It's usual. That's his stage. We also have Laura. Laura, please. Chris Durkin. And you know why. When I call Chris and Laura and Sipke, you know exactly why. We have Bavin. Shh. Bavin, can you come, please? And you all know why they are here. Laura, do you know why?
I can take a guess, but I'm not going to.
Because you need a chocolate, because that's all you can eat. Okay? Is that
This one
empty?
is empty,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. It's George and Bertrand. They ate their chocolate before.
You smart. Figured it out.
Do you like chocolates?
Sure.
Can you eat chocolates?
I'm not sure. It would depend.
You see, that's the issue. He's not even sure if he can eat chocolate. That's my issue. That's very hard for me. So I had to prepare a special menu just for them. Well, not only one, but multiple special menus, because they don't have the same dietary restrictions and whatever. And all those lactose intolerant people, I don't care about you. You will eat whatever is on the pizza, cheese, mascarpone, whatever. Okay, American cheese. Okay. Thank you guys for all the work you can't eat this. So even that caramel,
Dairy, gluten.
oh my
Don't worry
Maybe I should be also like you. It will be easier for the belly. We also have Brian. Brian, can you come? Where's Brian? Brian, here. Toby. There is only one Toby. Can you come here? Jackie. Can you come, Jackie, please? Sorry, you will see. Just chocolate. You like chocolate? You will like it. Stanley. Back again. Another chocolate. Do you guys know why I call you? So Brian, can you tell me when you registered?
Another day Friday.
Friday. Toby?
Yeah, Friday.
So Friday.
Stanley?
Friday.
When you're a conference organizer, you need to order shirts. Not the Friday before 4 holidays, like 4 out of business day. You need to prepare badges to print them, okay, with nice things and everything. And you don't do it on the Friday. But you still deserve a chocolate to come here, even late.
Thank you.
Thank you. The speakers are like, I should have had my chocolate too. There must be some left chocolate at the end. Oh, and now we have the, sorry, I think I got an Eventbrite registration. I'm sure it's a joke, No. She will come. Okay, she'll register right now. So she will have 2 chocolates. Maybe you know her, Mariana Gaga. You know her. Mariana Gaga is a PM at Microsoft, and she registered. She's from New York, so she comes. So Nick, can you come here, please?
Oh, me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
We can't do it without you, right? You need a chocolate. You love chocolates. Laura, why did you stand up already? How did you know? Tina. Sorry, Tina. Jackie, I'm sorry. 2 chocolates. You have to think about the 2 chocolates.
What did I do this time?
I should have called Maria, but she's late and she just registered now. Okay, she was supposed to be here.
Okay.
So, you guess why they are here?
I was going to say all girls, but except for Nick.
But Nick is included in our club.
Wait. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
It's to help the gender balance. And gender balance is very important. So you deserve more than chocolate, okay? You went to Asia for that, right?
No, that was just for fun.
Oh! Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. So I have some flowers for the women of the conference.
Oh, thank you.
It's a better one than last year, right?
Thank you.
I have one left for Maria. What? No. I will put it there. She will be surprised. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the effort. Last word before closing the keynote. What I wish for these 2 days. Sorry, I didn't speak a lot about Orchard, but it's just to put you in the mood of the conference and introduce you to everyone so everyone knows everyone. Nick is so happy with his flowers. Oh my God. The good thing is that you can offer them to anyone in the streets and they will be like so delighted if you don't like them. My God. They will run away. Well, no view, bus tower or whatever. And, create new professional relationships. That's the goal for this conference, for you to create new professional relationships. And also for me, because I don't have enough. Learn things that can be applied back home. So when you come back to South Africa or further, you can have something you learn and apply directly. And for me, and for the committee and everyone in the community, find the motivation to be even more active on the product. So that's why you are here, and I hope you will bring back with you. Thanks, and enjoy the conference. Thank you.